Prepare the bowl-shaped metal branch with the corresponding specifications of the transformer. Place the bowed metal stub into the fixation slot. Turn on the screw. Fix with nuts. Install the insulation pressure plate. Do the same operation on the other side. Put the copper bar into the transformer coil. Torque the screws with a screwdriver. Use the tool to tighten the nut. Fix the transformer on the copper strip. Connect the transformer S1 port to the engine meter IA port and the transformer S2 port to the engine meter IA port. You can feel the output induction current of the transformer through the engine meter.